is for Armadillo, rolling Lego bricks around. B is for Brontosaurus, stacking towers way up high. C is for K-Bear, snapping big bricks tight. D is for Dinosaur, building roaring jaws wide. Build, build, build. A, B, C, D, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. E is for elk, adding antlers piece by piece. F is for flying pterosaur, gliding with brick wings. G is for giant sloth, slowly stacking blocks. H is for hadrosaur, tapping bricks in place. Tap, tap, tap. E, F, G, H, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. I is for ichthyosaur, swimming through blue bricks. Splash, splash, splash. J is for jaguar, placing spotted tiles. K is for kentrosaurus, locking spikes on strong. L is for lion, building mane so bold. Build, build, build. I, J, K, L, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. M is for mammoth, stacking tusks so long. Stack, stack, stack. N is for Neanderthals, wolf snapping brick teeth sharp. Snap, snap, snap. O is for ostrich, clicking speedy legs. Click, click. P is for pteranodon, flying over brick skies. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. M, N, O, P, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. Q is for quagga, line and stripe bricks, neat line, line, line. R is for raptor, building claws so fast. Snap, snap, snap. S is for saber-toothed tiger, placing giant fangs. Press, press, press. T is for triceratops, locking horns in place. Lock, lock, lock. Q, R, S, T, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. U is for Wintotherium, pushing blocks together. Push, push. V is for Velociraptor, clicking tail pieces on. Click, click, click. W is for woolly rhino, stacking heavy feet. Thump, thump, thump. X is for safe actinus, swimming through brick waves. Splash, splash, splash. U, V, W, X, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals. Y is for Utyrannus, building mighty jerk. Build, build. Z is for zebra, placing strike by her. Lar, R, S, T, Lego Prehistoric Safari Animals.